Right, let me share the screen first. There we go. This is the last lesson of our unit 4, and I will give you a review on Tuesday, right? Review on Tuesday, and then we'll have a test on Wednesday, I hope. A test for unit 4 on Wednesday. Okay, now we started on lesson 9 in the class book, page 36. Okay, page 36. We have known the words, right? The inventor, invent, and invention. Okay. Look at that. That's the Earl of Sandwich, right? He invented sandwiches. So the Earl of Sandwich is an inventor, and the sandwiches is the invention. Understand? That sort of things. Now on this page, I'd like to take a look at the activity 1 first. They say, look, listen, and repeat. So everyone, please look, listen, and repeat.
Listening 1.65. Look, listen, and repeat.
Car,
Guys, car. Thank you.
zip,
C.
Zip. Okay, the Z, not C. Z, zip. The buzzing sounds must be felt through your throat. Zip.
jeans,
Jeans.
Good.
tea bag,
Tea bag. Tea bag.
Good.
camera,
Camera. Camera. Camera.
microwave oven,
Microwave oven. Microwave oven.
Microwave oven.
mobile phone,
Mobile phone.
Yes,
Mobile phone.
or a cell phone.
fridge,
Fridge. Fridge.
Good. Okay, so on this page, I will give you time to quickly look at it. Look at it, and you have to say true or false. Okay, true or false. So this one, here is the timeline, right? From 1900 to year 2000. So this is the revolutions of the inventions through 200 years. Through 200 years. And these are the things that human being has invented to make our lives better. And they are, you know, people from all around the world invented stuff. Camera in France, a fridge in the USA, car, the first car that's built is in Germany, jeans, that's happened in the US, and a tea bag. Okay, back in the day, people used dry leaf to have tea, and now these guys, Thomas Sullivan invented a tea bag, so makes our life a lot better. Just dip it in the hot water, right? And zip, back then they don't have a zip. A microwave oven, also in the USA, and a mobile phone. Look at the mobile phone. Imagine people have to carry that with them everywhere. But that's a good start, right? Because now we have a smartphone, which is make our life so much better. Okay, you have to Look at the time. You look at the timeline already. You listen and say true or false.
Incredible English 5, Second Edition, by Sarah Phillips, Peter Redpath, and Kirsty Granger. Published in copyright Oxford University Press 2012. CD2. Listening 2.1. Look at the timeline. Listen and say true or false.
Who invented the zip? Gideon Sundback.
True or false? True. That's who invented the zip. Gillian Zunbag. That's the name of the person who invented it.
When was the car invented? In 1910.
True or false?
False.
The car invented in 1885, right?
Who invented the camera? Joseph Niepce.
True or false? True, right? Joseph Niepce invented the camera.
When was the microwave oven invented? In 1940.
True or false?
False.
This is in 1946, right?
Where were jeans invented? Jeans? In the USA.
True or false?
True.
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 Invented the jeans in the USA happened at when they the gold rush, when people go in there and try to dig out for gold, and people need the things that to very durable piece of material so they can go into the earth and get the dirt on it without getting torn apart. So that's how jeans got started.
Who invented the microwave oven? Percy LeBaron Spencer.
True or false?
True.
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 Where was the tea bag invented? In Sweden.
False.
False, because it's invented in the USA, right?
When was the fridge invented? In 1834.
True.
Yes, true. Not for the fridge, right? Back in the day, they have to store everything in the box with ice. And I think that's a lot of task to do it. Okay, now let's go to your activity book and write down the inventor and inventions. Activity book on page 40. Okay, page 40.
Finish.
Okay. What is number 2?
Finish.
What is number 2?
Tea bag.
Tea bag, right? Number 3?
Jean. Jean.
Number 4?
Sip. Sip.
Number 5?
Mobile phone. Mobile phone.
Number 6?
Microwave. Microwave.
Microwave. Okay, microwave oven. Number 7?
Fridge. Fridge.
Fridge. Good. And number 8?
Camera.
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 Right. This one, look and match the questions and answer. So look at the timelines. Finish? Yes?
Finish.
Finish, okay. All right. Number 1. Number 1. When was the straw invented? It's C. In 1888. Okay. Right. Where was the skateboard invented? Skateboard.
B.
B. In the USA. 3. Where was the berry invented?
E.
E. E. In Italy. Number 4. When was the digital watch invented?
D.
1970. And where was the paperclip invented?
A.
A. All right. Next one on lesson 10. Read and match the picture. Let's try to read first. Look at the picture. Do you know this guy? Alexander Graham Bell. Have you ever heard of him? He's one of the most famous scientists on Earth. He was quite famous because he invented the telephone that we have nowadays. Why don't you put on the your student shirt? You're gonna take it to the place. It's hanging there. I ironed it for you. Just read it. You need to take it with that. It's for your school too. Hurry up. All right. How about we do it together? Number one, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. He came from Scotland, but he lived in the USA. He was a teacher at a school for deaf people. You know what is deaf people means? People who has hearing disabilities. They cannot hear or talk. So he's a teacher for the kids who cannot hear or talk. So which picture is it?
C.
B, good. Number two, Bell wanted to send words along wires. He did lots of experiments. Experiments, just like what you do with in science. So which picture? A,
A.
right? Good. Number three, one day in 1876, he had an accident in his laboratory. He dropped acid on his trousers.
D.
B. Number four, he used his new invention to call his assistant. He said, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want you." This was the first telephone call.
B.
Isn't that amazing? Like without him thinking that, I don't know where we'll be landing right now. Probably not just stay home and do nothing without have to learning online. Right. Here, next page on the mini project. You read and then answer these questions. Sure. You say no?
Put it there first.
Why are you wearing this? Why are you wearing this? You're supposed to wear the shirt. Why don't you save that for tomorrow with your shorts? You need to wear the shirts.
T-shirt.
That one is a Hello Kitty short.
Yeah, so I'm wearing a Hello Kitty T-shirt.
Okay, finish? Are you finished? This is a homework machine I invented in 2005, right? It can do maths, English, and science homework. It has got a screen and a printer. You put the exercise into the hole at the top. If it is math, press button A. If it is English, pull lever B. If it is science, turn wheel C. When you hear the bell, your homework is ready. Right, so number one has already answered that, right? When did she invent the homework machine in 2005? What can it do? What can it do?
It can do math, English, science, and homework.
Yes, it can do math, English, and science homework.
Or
Number three, what do you do for maths homework?
letter A.
Yes, press. That's a U, okay? Let me look at that. Where is it? Okay, number four. What do you do for English homework?
Full letter level B.
Yes. Letter B. Do for science homework.
Turn wheel C.
And we'll see. And number six, what do you hear when your homework is ready?
Bell.
Yes. So that is it for our unit 4. We have finished unit 4, and I'd like you to check yourself on your assignments, whether you have finished it. Okay, this one. WH questions, and there is and there are. Okay, please do it over your weekend. I will check and send a list to your class teacher to check it again for you. And then I will explain it. I will review unit 4 on Tuesday, and we'll have a test on Wednesday. So get ready. Okay, this unit 4 have quite confusing grammars, and I put a lot of grammar in there. So, all right. Okay, is there any questions? Do you have any questions? Okay, don't forget to do your work, and I will send in online just to the reminder that you need to do this thing, okay? All right, have a great day, and I will catch you on Tuesday. All right, see you guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.